Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. So guys, today in this particular video, as you know, we used to drop daily updates on boom and crash index and step index on this channel. And here is another powerful indicator, guys, that you can use to support your daily trade. And we can see this is boom 500 on 5-minute time frames. You can see what our trend line is giving us here. We have a trend line accurate here, and we also have another trend line that gives us a best accurate. So for this particular indicator now, this will be our best option to us to enter the market. This will be the best option to enter the market, and this will be the best option to enter for downtrend, and this will be another powerful indicator. So by using this powerful indicator, you can make use of it to download a lot of daily profits using this particular indicator. So how to use this particular indicator is what I'm going to explain inside this particular video. So to make use of this particular indicator, after you install all your indicator, you are going to see that it's going to analyze the chart to you, like what is currently happening in the market. Let's go to what the beginning of the video. So you can see this, we have our indicator here that showed an uptrend and a downtrend at this particular level. We can see that. So we can see that our uptrend level start from this particular level, and it also gives us a confirmation of a triangle of blue here, which give it a best accurate for us to enter our trade at any time here. And we have a pullback to this same level, and we have a pullback to this same level, we have a pullback to this same level, until we have another arrow indicates to us that we have a downtrend. But currently now we don't have a downtrend, so we are still expecting this particular trade to be moving on a higher level. You understand, it's still moving on an uptrend level. So that is how this particular indicator works. We can see this particular trend also that indicates to us that we have a downtrend here, and it always appear immediately our price reach this particular zone. It appear immediately our price reach this particular zone, and our arrow which have moved to this particular area currently at this particular time is giving us a downtrend. And we can see the two trend here, which is the green and the green 9 here. We see that it went above the 80 level here, and we can see that it go massively. You can see that it does not reach that particular zone. It does not reach that particular zone, and it break it down on a large down level. You can see, imagine how much you are going to take from this particular level to this particular level. So that's a massive profit. And if we check this also, we will see that the same thing also happened here, the same thing happened here, the same thing happened here, and where we have our uptrend level here. And if it is because our arrow have moved away from this particular zone, it will have shown to us that we have a uptrend. You can see the uptrend keep on moving on a large massive. And the same thing happened here. We have a downtrend here, which give us a confirmation entry around this particular area, and we can see that we have a downtrend also at that particular zone. So this is how this particular powerful indicator works, and this is what you can get to help your trading daily. And we can see that we have our 9 also that cross at this particular area. You can see there are 2 red parallel 9 here that cross below this level. We can see that they cross below this level, and we can see that it is exact the place that it gives us a uptrend. So this is one of the best indicators that I use to support my trade daily, and it has been making me a lot of massive profits. So you can also get this particular indicator. What you just need to do is to join my Telegram group, and you are going to get access to my inbox. You are going to get access to my inbox, or you can message me directly, and I'm going to respond to you guys. So thanks. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.